Good morning. Today, we got another nice rare find. You're looking at a 1963. It's a Ford Anglia. It's a 105E. It's one of the first ones that actually ever came out. This one is actually built in Rhodesia, in Salisbury in Rhodesia. I'm going to start it up first. I'm going to pop the bonnet for us there, so we can have a look inside here quickly as well. I'm starting it there. Starts first time. Very nice. I'm going to pop the bonnet there. It sounds very good. Motor sounds nice. We can look inside here. Have a look there. He's got about 47,000 miles on the clock there. Sorry, 57,000 miles on the clock. So look at the car conditions, very good. It has been restored. You can see the vehicle's been restored. Good condition. We're going to show you the back here. Let's look at the back here. Very nice car. Look at the condition of the car. Then I'm going to open the boot here. Very nice. Open the boot. Show you inside quickly. Boot's still nice and heavy. Look at that spare wheel. These tires are all brand new on this car as well, eh? Look at the condition inside there. Very nice. Let's look around here. You can see it's a two-tone, original two-tone color. Go around the car. Then I'm going to open the bonnet. Open the bonnet. Look at the condition of the motor. Everything original chassis number, original engine number. Look, this is your manufacturing plate. If you can see that there. I know it's not always possible on the video, but you can see that it was built in Rhodesia. Actually put together in Rhodesia. It's a knockdown kit that came in from overseas and put together in Rhodesia, in Salisbury in Rhodesia. I'm going to close it now again. Nice close there. So we look at the car. Yeah, it's actually very nice. Very nice find for the day, I think. Yeah, great. Anybody interested, let me know.